Introducing the stunning 2019 SEAT Ateca XC 1.6 TDI with 415 horsepower in sleek black. This beauty packs a punch with a 1.6-liter engine and an impressive list of features including air conditioning, satellite navigation, Android AutoCarplay, and much more. Safety is paramount with ABS, parking assistance, and multiple airbags ensuring peace of mind on every drive. Plus, enjoy added convenience with features like cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and electric folding mirrors. Rest easy knowing this vehicle has had a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.